14 months after last year's crackdown, Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev is back to National Capital protesting what he's been doing for over a year now, and that is to step up pressure against the government for black money. Also, this fast is going to be crucial in many ways, and one of them will be, will this protest go the Anna Hazare way, now that we know Anna Hazare has floated his own political party in the next few weeks? And then would Ramdev be following that juncture? Because clearly, in many ways, Ramdev has the numbers. Even now, we know that even though Ramlila Maidan is all set for this very crucial fast, whether there would be enough numbers to step up the pressure against government. And most significantly, as the parliament session is on, what will the government do? Will the government follow the wait and watch policy, or will it really want to bring forth this issue, especially the opposition, the BJP would want to bring this issue of black money back to the parliament session this season? So clearly it is going to be a significant fast, but what would be the strategy of Baba Ramdev? As of now, in the next few minutes, we are expecting him at the Delhi airport. Perhaps he would speak to the media persons and tell him what is his plan of action for the next few weeks. But as of now, clearly, even though Anna Hazare has refused to join him for this agitation with other team members, Ramdev claiming that he has enough numbers to step up pressure against the government. Back to you.
Right, Aishwarya, if I could come to you now. Aishwarya, what are your sources telling you? What is going to be the strategy that the government perhaps could employ to deal with Ramdev? Remember, this the time that he is selected is crucial. There is a parliament session that's going on. So what are your sources telling you on that?
Government right now is still on a wait and watch mechanism, because they're still waiting. If the numbers which Baba Ramdev is claiming, that is in rather multiple lakhs, if those number of people really come down at Ramlila Maidan, then this Congress-led UPA government would have no other option rather than to look towards the demands of Baba Ramdev. But then again, if something like Anna Hazare happens, which is highly unlikely because Baba Ramdev is said to have a mass following, and rather starting from his Yoga Guru days, he still has a lot of mass following. And rather, if his sources are to be believed, Baba Ramdev saying that at least 3 to 4 lakh people are already in Delhi, and they will be reaching Ramlila Maidan in the first day, that is today itself. So that is really the worrying factor for the government. So government is still waiting and watching if Baba Ramdev rather is able to get that many number of people at the Ramlila Maidan for his protest against black money and the alleged rampant corruption in this government, then this Congress-led government would have to take one decision or the other. But as of now, they're still looking out for it, because Baba Ramdev has been making tall claims that rather he will get 9 lakh people at 9th of August, that's today, at Ramlila Maidan, and a glimpse was seen yesterday at Ahmedabad. So he has a huge following, highly unlikely as Anna Hazare, as we also saw him that Anna and his team was not able to get that kind of support at their latest fast at Jantar Mantar. But Baba Ramdev is saying that he'll get a massive crowd behind him, and that too at a continuous level. He says that he's going to sit on an indefinite fast if the government is not going to look into his demands. And he has also been definite on his demand. He has not diluted his demand like Anna Hazare, as he diluted his demand on Jan Lokpal Bill. Baba Ramdev has stuck on the issue of black money and saying that that's the core of rather every corruption issue. So he says either it's a strong mechanism against black money and corruption, or he is not getting out of Ramlila Maidan this time around.